way before daybreak. Meditating on the steps I take, I realize there's a lot at stake. So why enterprise while trying to stack capes? But I recognize that it ain't easy, so I organize with my PNC.
From daybreak to dusk dawn, I stand strong on my own too. Give praises to Jah before maneuvering through. My steps toward improvements, meet up with my essay, put them up on the movements. I mean things like greensbacks and such. We're gonna make it happen, just the two of us, huh?
All heads realize, recognize. Real heads on the rise, recognize.
All heads realize, recognize. Real heads on the rise, better recognize.
All heads realize, recognize. Real heads on the rise, recognize.
All heads realize, recognize. Real heads on the rise, better recognize. I live the life of an entertainer, stress bringer, grams of get right highs, pounds of anger, and worries of success down the line. Living life to the fullest in that space and time. I'm coping with me and my habits, copping that cocoa to enhance the cabbage. Tim's all seasons for ass-kicking reasons. Never know when you catch us by committing treason.
I know what you mean, son. I've seen some blind, some deaf, some dumb. Whichever one chooses to follow, the other one loses. Due to mass confusion caused by fast illusion. Showing improvement, it's not